Hill, a paper boat by the windowsill. Grandma's clock ticks slow and sweet. Dust dances soft beneath my feet. So I open the door and I don't know what's waiting.